Hi everyone. What I want to talk about in this video is making it less likely to trip around your electronics. There's another sort of tool that I want to suggest to you. It's about using a magnetic charger for your electronics. Now, I realize that some of these devices don't come with a magnetic charging port. And it gets to be a challenge when you've got mobility issues like me. So I almost tripped again a few weeks ago on the USB charging cable for my tablet. So what I've done is purchased a magnetic charging adapter for it. So there's the first part. It's going to be hard to see. I'll put a photo up in the video at this point. But it's this little adapter here. And it just plugs in the top where the charger, where the USB charger goes. And I just dropped it, of course. Right here. Sorry about there we go. Okay, so it's in the top, the circle right here. And then this is the cable that connects to it. And it's a magnetic connection, so it just holds it right there and going down. Now I need to point out to you that this is not a data cable, it's a charging cable. The difference is USB data cables have 4 wires and the charging cable is only a positive and a negative. There is something else I need to point out. The length of the USB cable for your device is extremely important. So there can be a very, very small voltage drop over longer cables. So if you started with basically a 6-foot cable for your tablet, you need to replace it with a 6-foot cable for the tablet because it won't fast charge when the cable's longer. I could explain it in more technical terms, but I think just saying that the voltage isn't quite the same is enough for most people. So if you were to trip, you would just be pulling it off, and this has enough mass to it that it's not likely to go flying, and you would just pick up your charging cable wherever it landed on the floor. I also have done the same, and I've used a wireless keyboard and wireless mouse since 2009. I tripped on the the corded keyboard in 2009, and I went backwards. I landed on my chair in front of the computer, and so I was okay at that point, but I wasn't going to let it happen to me a second time. And so I bought a wireless keyboard and mouse. And to be honest, I usually keep a spare one for if the keyboard falls on the floor by accident, like just sort of slipping off my legs, or if the mouse takes a dive off of the armrest of my chair that I use it in. And it's just another strategy that's preventative. I do buy them from China. They're about $28 Canadian right now with delivery. I don't buy fancy ones because I tend to end up replacing it about twice a year just from something breaking on it. Anyway, I just wanted to suggest it to those who need it as a possible skill. We are close enough to Christmas right now that this genuinely could be a present for you from a caring family member that wants to help but can't fix your health, if you grasp what I'm saying. Okay, anyway, that's what I had on my mind for today. And it's these little small steps that are kind of like when you build a house, you want to start on a strong foundation. So when you're doing this with your health, you're wanting to have enough of the small things in place that the overall picture of your health is going to be managed and you've got the best quality of life possible. So it's a whole bunch of these small systems that will make the difference for you. I hope each of you are doing well. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.